Hey my lovely jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. I really hope that you're all well and okay. So I have this really cute Disney princesses inspired nail art mani today. Give me a hell yeah if you're a Disney child. So I'm using this gorgeous glitter mix from VS Nail Art, and I absolutely love these little holographic Minnie or Mickey mouses. So it's got a lovely sort of mix of colours. You can't really see anything from that side, but yeah, but gorgeous colours for spring as well. So even if you didn't want to do Disney princesses, you could still have this glitter and it'd be very spring inspired. If you want to know how I created this spring mani, then please tune into Kiki London's YouTube channel, where I'll be hosting a tutorial over on there later on today at 6 PM. So that's where you'll be able to watch this. So I have applied 2 coats of Kiki London's gel polish. It's called Baby Pink as the base for the glitters. And I've just put some in a glitter tray and just sort of going to move it around. So you can see there's lots of different shapes. There's stars, there's hollow Mickeys, there's round shapes, some are flat, some are thicker, and little glitter pieces as well. So it is a packed glitter mix and it is fantastic. So I've just basically put on, applying this to the tacky layer, and I'm not worrying too much that I haven't got all of the glitter pieces that I want on it, because I will be coming in with a rubber top coat to encapsulate it, and then I can add a few more glitter pieces that I would like. So I'm going to be using Kiki London's rubber top coat like I just stated. So I'm going to apply that onto the nail now. And I am not going to cure it at this point because, like I say, I am going to be adding some different bits of glitter on the top. This is probably the best way to apply ones that are chunkier. So excuse me while this hollow Minnie or Mickey decided they didn't want to go on my nail. So I'm just going to encapsulate it in and just get a few more different shapes just to sort of add more texture to it, I suppose. But that's what I love about this. You can have it as subtle or as packed as you would like. And then obviously once you're happy with how you've got all your glitter placements, you'd go ahead and pop that in your lamp and cure it. Then you want to go in with another layer of the rubber gel, because basically once you've cured this, you're going to want to be able to file it down. That way your nail is going to be nice and smooth and not too thick. So I'll just quickly show you here. So you just go up and down and side to side until basically it is all flat and you're happy with it. Don't worry about it, the glitter's looking dull. As soon as you add your top coat, all that sparkle comes right back. So once you're happy with how it's filed, you want to use some isopropyl alcohol and wipe that off, and I'll be top coating it later on. But you can see even just with wiping it that the sparkle comes back. So these are the foils that I'm going to be using. There's some other foils in here as well, which I will show you now real quick, but obviously I'll be using these in a different video. But again, they've got some, these were from Designs by V Nail Art as well, or VS Nail Art. They've got lots and lots of choice on their store. It's some really cool nail art products. So if you've not checked them out, then click on the link that's going to be provided in my description box and go check out their store. It is absolutely fabulous. So I'm just going to get this one out. It's in its separate packaging. But isn't that just so cute? So obviously with this one, it has only got like Cinderella and Snow White on it, but it is a super pretty foil. And then obviously if you can have a Mickey Mouse one as well, again another Disney inspired one. Then you've got these holographic ones, which are so funky. Can't wait to use those, probably more summertime. And then obviously you've got these ones here, which have got different images on as well. So yeah, so there's just some of the selection of the foils, and here's another one which is super cute as well. Again, that could be lovely for spring, sort of summertime. And then you've kind of got these little, what are they, like feathers and wind catchers and things like that, or dream catchers. So a beautiful range of foil arts that you can also use as well. So I'm going to be using this transfer foil glue now to obviously stick the foil to my nails. So what I'm going to do is apply this to the nail. It does dry nice and clear, and you kind of want to leave that for 1 to 2 minutes to make sure that it is perfectly dry before you go ahead and add your foil. So obviously decide which part of the foil that you want on the nail, and then you want to place that on. Like this one, it is obvious which side to put it on. On some of these ones that are clear, it's really not obvious which side that you use, and basically one side will transfer and one side won't. But I can show you a sort of a nice hack for that in a future video, to always make sure that you're applying it nice the right way. So I've just got a dry cotton pad now, and I'm just sort of like pinching it, and I want to rub it down and want to make sure it's all nice and flat without trashing it, because it is just going to help with the, you know, transferring the foil as best as possible. These ones are a little bit more trickier because obviously it is a image that you're wanting to transfer, not just like placing random bits on the nail, which you can do with some other foil arts. So kind of once you've pinched it and you're kind of happy, you just peel it off. And I'm really pleased with how well that's transferred as well. It was nice and easy to work with and super cute. And then you want to, obviously, because they are foils, you want to use a water-based top coat as well, which generally, I think all gel polishes generally work well with foil arts and things like that. But if you haven't got gels, then use a water-based product and it won't affect the look of the foils at all. So there you go. So I'm just going to add the top coat and cure it, and then we'll reveal how it all looks together. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. It's so girly and pretty. I know this isn't going to be for everybody, but hopefully for you that like manis like this, you really like it. So let me know your thoughts on it. Thank you, V Nail Art, for sending me these products to have a play with. I absolutely love your store, and it's been really nice playing with the products today. So if you've not done so already, please press that free subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. I always love to read your comments, so please leave me your comments and your thoughts on this mani. And that's it from me today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.